Hey, it's Kyle from Growing Up Garden. Today I'm going to give you guys an update on how my potato towers are doing, and I'm also going to be adding another row of boards to each one of my boxes. So let's get started. So I've got a few things to talk about with my potato towers, a few things that I've noticed this year. So basically in my head I figured the potatoes would be pretty even growing in the boxes, basically like this. I thought they would all be similar in size. But what I'm getting is I'm getting some boxes like this, to where I've got one big one, and then I've got two smaller ones, and then one that this one's just basically hasn't even come out of the ground yet, hardly. Just starting to leaf out. And which makes it kind of hard to fill in, because you want to fill this in, but then, I mean, you can't really bury this too deep or it's not going to ever come through, you know? So that's one of my dilemmas here with the towers. So here's an example of two that are enormous. These are the biggest ones, and these things have been growing like overnight, like growing like a lot, like an inch or so. And then you've got this one that's, you know, this one's actually not looking too hot. That one's still going strong, but yeah, this one looks like it's got shocked a little bit. The problem is, you know, if these are growing enormous and then, yeah, these aren't growing, I still got to fill this in. So I might have to bury some of the other ones that aren't growing as fast. And that bed's doing pretty good. But so far everything looks pretty healthy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding the Earth Juice Rainbow Mix Pro, the ultimate plant nutrient. It's got mycorrhizal fungi, microbes, and humic acid. I'll be mixing that in the soil to give the potatoes a nice little fertilizing. And then I'm going to add my first row of boards to the boxes. So I'm going to get on that and get her done. I finally got someone to help me with these boxes. My buddy Blake. Go slow. Now put it in the middle, put it in straight, and then go real slow. You got it. Just put it straight, put the drill straight. Gotta get it in like that, and then put it straight like this. Okay, you do it all by yourself. There you go. Okay, do the other one. Let me see you, Blake. Huh? Let's see what you're doing, mister. You got it? You got it, buddy. Here, you need help? Put it straight. There you go. Gotta keep it straight. Alright, that's it, bud. Alright, woohoo! Let me see you. Look at your daddy. Blake! Good job, buddy. Alright. Now we gotta start filling these in now. Won't be long and these things will be up to the top. So I got one more thing before I fill in my potatoes with more soil. I'm going to be watering them in with the Organic Ag Products Plant Superfood. Or if you get it from boogiebrew.net, it's the pure protein. Now this stuff definitely works. I've made a bunch of videos in the past with my pepper plants. I'll put a link down below so you guys can check those out, where I use the pure protein and the Boogie Brew compost tea weekly on them, and the growth is incredible. So definitely check out those videos, and I'm going to start watering these bad boys in with some of this pure protein. Alright, so that's the end of my update video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and definitely subscribe to my channel to find out when my latest potato tower video comes out. And I'm trying to reach a goal this year. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And definitely give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And I will see you guys in the next episode.